Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily remove a background of a video with just one click on Canva apps. So here, what you need to do is just add the video first. I'm going to find the video. I'm going to just use the video from Canva here. Okay, let's try to find it. For example, for example, I'm going to add this videos right here, and to remove the background, just click on the video, and here at the bottom, swipe, click on the three dots icon, and just swipe again, and you'll see, click on the three dots icon, click on the effect, and then here you'll see the background remover. Click on that, and just like that, the video background will be removed. So this will be the result. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.